Hello, this is Williams Crawford, and today we're going to look at a beautiful 1973 911. Well, here we are. It's an October 1972 delivered 911 2.4T coupe, supplied in the UK by AFN Porsche, and with the first owner until 1996. So from 1972 to 1996 with one owner. It's in Oxford blue, and it is a lovely original car. It's very, very seldom we see something like this with such a nice history. The original owner is relatively famous, Ian Young, who was the founder of McLaren Motorsport. So looking inside, this 911 Lux, so it means it's got some S equipment, was also equipped from the factory with the Recaro sports seats, a really, really nice option. And they're in the original corduroy material. It's even got the original radio and cassette, look, with one speaker. The car is beautiful. And the Dalmatian blue and all the bright work looks just really nice. This isn't a fully restored car, although it's had an engine refresh just recently, and you can see the SSI heat exchangers. This is a car that's been kept beautifully through its life, and it's a really, really special three-owner 911. It's on sale now at Williams Crawford.